Okay, so David, I didn't really tell you why you're here, but I think you can guess when you see the laundry detergent everywhere. So we're here to talk about stinky washing machines.
Oh man.
Something that you've experienced that I can only experience when you text us pictures of nasty insides of washing machines. Thankfully, you can't smell a photo on your phone, but you get to experience it IRL. So we're here to talk about what causes a stinky washing machine, and from what I understand, it's using too much detergent is definitely one of those things.
That is correct, because if you don't get all that detergent washed out of your washer, it stays in the bottom and it's going to smell the whole entire time.
And just start building up everywhere. So to kind of illustrate how that can happen pretty easily, especially over time, before I started using our HE detergent, I was definitely using way too much laundry detergent.
Oh, yes.
By 2 to 3 times what I was supposed to be using. And that's even me trying to be HE and sustainable and all those things. I was still just really glugging it in there. So I wanted to show a little experiment of not talking about our detergent yet, but just regular, I can't say the name brand, detergent. I'm gonna have Carrie step in here. And Carrie, I want you to try something for me. So I'm gonna hand you this detergent. And I want you to, if you had a super dirty load of laundry, Remy and Monty's soccer and baseball stuff, okay? We're like fully loading it up. Pour into here what you think you would need for, you just got home and you've got all this dirty nasty laundry. So what do you think would be appropriate? Okay, this is the very honest answer. And this was me. So I just want to real quick show you. So this was her guessing, which is honestly what we mostly do.
Yep.
This is the recommended amount of that detergent. So of name brand, even HE detergent, she was double, a little bit more than double. And I know that sometimes when you think it's dirty, you need extra detergent. You really don't, especially with the amount of water going through these. What are some examples of when you have too much detergent in the machine, aside from it smelling, what does that do to the clothes? More detergent means they're cleaner, right?
Nope, it means they're less clean because you're not able to actually wash all the dirt out and get the laundry soap out of your clothes. If you keep putting in too much, that detergent will stay in your clothes. And then next thing you know, you're drying your clothes with detergent on them. I've actually seen where people have been out in the rain and the detergent starts coming up on their clothes because they've used so much.
Oh my goodness, because it's still in there.
Yep, it's still in your clothes. It's not getting washed out because we're using so much less water anymore, so.
Oh, that is fascinating.
Yep.
Gross, but fascinating. Dare I say, you, David. That's just so gross. No, you're okay. You're okay. This is perfect. We actually put your stuff down. Okay, another busy mom. This can be good. I have a feeling this is good. She recently started working at Village Home Store, so you don't use our detergent yet. Nope. Yet. So I want you to do what we just had Carrie do. Okay, so look away. Look away. Okay, so Samantha.
Yes.
Use this unnamed detergent. Okay. If you were going to do a load of dirty laundry, a full of laundry, how much detergent would you put in? Like, be honest. You can step forward and show it. Just live your truth. Show us how much.
I'm a glugger.
You're a glugger. Okay, so then if you're a glugger, then what would you do right before you close? Exactly. Oh, cheers. Cheers. That's a very honest pour. Too much detergent is not your friend. David is your friend. We're your friends. Too much detergent is not a good idea. So let's talk a little bit about our detergent from Village Home Stores. All right, now I'm joined again, but never for the last time, by my friend Rachel here, and we are going to talk about laundry detergent. Yes. Again, so this is the Excelsior HE 6-time concentrated laundry detergent. What does that mean?
So basically it means it's made for a high efficiency washer, your front load or your top load. It's just more concentrated. You only need a tablespoon per load, whereas the other brands that you're gonna see out there, they're going to be like 2 times as concentrated and you need a lot more detergent.
Yes, and we just were kind of talking about too much detergent, the amount of detergent you're using. So let's actually show you a tablespoon of the Excelsior product, but let's revisit. This is an HE detergent. This is a recommended amount. And this might be as much as you're using in your washer. And that's not even including fabric softener, by the way. So if you're also throwing in some fabric softener, and there's a lot of stuff going through your washing machine that doesn't need to. So what's included in this little guy?
So you're gonna have your detergent, you're gonna have a color enhancer, and then also fabric softener is included.
Built into it. Very clean for you in your body and your whole household, but also your washing machine. So awesome. So each of these boxes, let's just talk a little bit about our own personal endorsement.
Yes.
I've been using this as long as I've been here, nearly 10 years. How long have you been using it?
As soon as we brought the product in, which has been over 10 years, I've been using it too.
Awesome.
So
My box doesn't even look like this. It's like a few designs ago, but that's because all you have to do is buy the refills. So when you run out of this box, which is 333 loads, once you make it through that, you are just buying a refill. And when you buy a box from Village, in the starter box, say I bought a washing machine and we're getting someone ready, what's included in the box and what is pricing?
all right, so if you were to come in, buy a new washer, you get a $10 discount. It's normally $79.99, well, you get it for $69.99. In the box is your bladder of detergent. You're also going to get a bottle of the pre-treater, and then also the little measuring cup too.
Awesome. So you get this little guy, so you know exactly how much. And a lot of times, you can just do a Sharpie line around there. If someone else is doing laundry in your house and they need the reminder that you don't need to be using too much. And this little amazing thing, how many sprays are in this?
625.
625 sprays. So this works with enzymes. So this is a pre-treat stain fighter. I don't know the official word. It's just magic. So if you have grass stains, any stain that you have, you spray this, let it sit for a little bit, then throw it in with your wash, and it comes in your box with it. So once you run out of this, if you're already on our program and you need to come in for a bladder, you're still at that good price,
You're
right?
still locked in.
Okay, which is better than, I probably can't say the name. Our pricing is more competitive in this program and more local because we stock all of this than if you were to buy from a certain online shopping program.
Yes.
Let me just say that. So, and you get to support our small business and we get to see you maybe once a year or however long it takes you to get through this. So it's a fantastic product. Really the cleanest thing you can be putting through your washing machine. If you are concerned about allergies and reactions, if you're really sensitive skin, this really is the best type of product. Even if you're paying a ton extra for HE, super sensitive laundry detergent, there's all kinds of stuff in there that you don't need to be paying for. And this is a very clean option. So if you need to return it, has anyone ever returned it?
So in the over 10 years that we've had it, we've only had one box returned.
Okay.
With a 30-day door guarantee is what we call it.
Okay, perfect. And lastly, speaking of guarantees, so if you buy a washer and you're just putting this stuff through it, isn't there like a 1 or 5 year like warranty for stinky washers?
So it actually has a lifetime warranty on the washing machine.
Lifetime.
So lifetime warranty on the washing machine.
The best thing you can put, so much so the best thing you can put through it that they're going to give you that warranty. So that is amazing. Thank you so much for joining us. And if you have questions about anything, or if you want us to go ahead and set one of these aside because you're out running errands, message us, call us, just stop in at villagehomestores.com.